My first time to try papaya salad Luang Prabang style. Every part of Laos has papaya salad is different. By the way, in Luang Prabang is so special. And yeah, let's see how they cook it and eat with me. Right now, she prepared papaya to make them for me, and yeah, you can see that she's so professional to cook it. And I order one Pepsi to eat with tam, like tam makung. Yeah, and here we still look at her cook, and then she put some, what is it? Maybe some kapi, sugar, Ajinomoto, and then tam. Yeah, it's quite wow. And then she put some eggplant and she chopped it. For me, I cannot do it. I feel scared. And then she put some tomato, the small one, and llama, and the special one is Papaya. Wow, the smell is so good. I feel like I want to eat now. And then the last one is papaya that she sliced it and then mix together. And then I'm waiting to taste it. How is taste? Is good or not? I think it's good because the smell of the papaya is so good. I love it. You know that. Oh, I think now is time to taste it. Oh, here we are. I can taste this. The taste is so good. Now I will back to my table and eat tam makung. Wow, I feel I'm so happy today. Wow, let's see. She put that papaya salad on the plate. Oh, I feel the smell. Wow, it's so amazing. I love it. Oh, here we are. I got it. Wow, let's eat together. Oh, the weather is too hot today. Oh, it's okay. I have Pepsi. It can help me a little bit. After finish this tamakung, I will back to the guest house and then continue another meeting because I have another project to do. I have to eat fast and then go back to the meeting. It is holiday, but it's not holiday, you know that. Oh, but it's okay. I eat papaya salad. I have energy to meeting today. Oh, and I also have a bean in as well. I eat like, whoa, feel like, you know, when you eat tam makung or papaya salad Luang Prabang with some meat or some bean in is really delicious. And then, yeah, you must try when you arrive Luang Prabang or Laos. You must try this food, this traditional food, you know that. Another one I eat being in is quite hard to eat. Yeah, but I have chopstick to help me today. Okay, got it. Wow, it's quite hard to try. And then they have some sauce. I hope you feel hungry.